The 1.5 millimeter thick, translucent yellow-amber polymer composite sheets are fed onto a climate-controlled rolling mat, preventing a massive hydraulic press slowly bends the 3 mm thick, grade 5 titanium alloy blanks.
The Shenyang J-6 gun gas ventilation system requires specialized titanium fittings. A precise pick-and-place robot secures the
Pressure looks stable at 75 psi.
Acknowledged. The internal surface conditioning is complete.
A high-speed structured light scanner.
The newly coated industrial-gray titanium component moves into a low-intensity infrared curing tunnel, slowly
Visual check confirms the geometry.
digital scan shows uniformity across the batch. We are good for packaging.
These caps prevent ingress of foreign objects or contaminants during storage and transit, ensuring the internal surfaces and valve mechanism.
it is, a steady stream at the lower seam.
Pressure differential confirmed. Recording the data now.
The specialized non-contact inkjet printer applies a durable identification code, ensuring full traceability for the high-G fuel management component.
A thin, microabrasion-resistant layer is atomized and applied to the entire exterior surface of the translucent yellow-amber fuel bladder.
Specialized, high-grade rubber plugs are precisely inserted into the aluminum fuel inlet and outlet ports of the translucent yellow. The bagged, translucent yellow-amber fuel bladder is moved into a vacuum sealing chamber, which extracts all air. The vacuum-sealed fuel bladder is placed into a lightweight, shock-absorbent polymer shipping container. It is labeled for...
The high-G fuel management bladders reach the final logistics staging area, confirming the successful completion.
A clear pouch containing the thermal fusion reports, pressure test logs, and material certifications for the translucent yellow-amber.
Process mandates made strict environmental controls. This sensor verifies the bladder's internal temperature and humidity.
Process B concludes as the crated high-G fuel management components are transferred to the temperature-controlled transport, ready for distribution.
This is the high-G fuel management component. It's clean, protected, and ready for remedial installation into the MiG-19 derivative.
Entering the roll sequence now.
Pressure differential holding steady. No cavitation detected.
The system is performing within parameters.
As shown here, the pressure integrity of the polymer composite bladders is verified. We are confident in fuel delivery during high-G maneuvers.
Sustained high-G maneuvers demand flawless fuel delivery. That's where the specialized translucent yellow-amber polymer composite bladders ensure reliable performance.
Fuel pressure holding steady at high G.
Minimal deviation confirmed. The polymer bladders are fully validated. The seamless operation confirms the integrity of all installed components. The specialized yellow-amber polymer composite
Flight test cycle complete. All systems green.
Roger that. Initiating data download from the fuel management array now.
Flawless performance. Fuel delivery was consistent even under high G.
That's thanks to the new composite.